Hey, this is Beyond World Review here, back with another video. Today, we have the Uno truck from Hot Wheels. So, we are going to take a look at it. We are going to get it out of the package so it can breathe, even though it's it's a treasure hunt. And don't you just like cracking out open rare items sometimes? I don't know. You probably shouldn't. But at the same time, we gotta get this out so we can review it and look at it. And let's do it. Okay. It says Uno right here. It got the truck. It got cars. It got Monster Jam. It's got like I said, here's all the trucks you could get in it. And I found this very lucky. I don't even know how I found this. But let's get it out of the package. Here's the QR code if you need it. But look at your Walmart. I think I had it in my hunt video recently. The recent is hunt video. So if you want to see how I found this, just go there. I found it in one of those what's it called? I found it in one of those dump and display things at Walmart. So here's the green crush car. Looking nice. Looking fine. And here is the Uno car. So it's got the red wheels with the white tires. It's got a yellow chassis with black roll cage. It's got the engine motor sticking out. It says, "Never deal a bad deck." It's got the Super Treasure Hunt logo, which looks so awesome. It's got Uno written on the side. I wish Hot Wheels would do more brands like this one. I know they did a Barbie truck, so I might try to get my hands on that to kind of coincide with this. But like I said, I like it when Hot Wheels does these different brands that they have. Like, I wish Hot Wheels would do what's it called? Matchbox Monster Truck. Here it is, the base. It's all red. No more Uno colors, red and yellow. Got like a deck of cards right there. Deck of cards right there. Uno out. So, let me know how you think about this Super Treasure Hunt. And your guys' opinions does matter in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you all next time. Bye now.